Excited to take your large language model skills to the next level and apply them in the real world? Get ready for our LLMs Level 2 course. In this course, you'll learn how to prepare data for NLP tasks effectively and why data quality matters so much. Additionally, you will walk through practical examples of data preparation and be familiarized with one of our most powerful tools, LLM DataStudio. Spoiler alert, LLM DataStudio is a tool specialized in data preparation for large textual datasets, and with it, you can customize interfaces and ensure that your data is of great quality. Ever wondered how to fine-tune your LLMs? We've got you covered. You'll learn how to fine-tune LLMs using our H2O LLM Studio tool and explore data augmentation techniques to boost your model's performance. But that's not all. We'll also unveil the secrets of model compression with techniques like quantization or LoRA, making sure your models are both efficient and high-performing. By the end of this course, you'll have acquired all the knowledge you need to earn your LLM certification level 2, showcasing your expertise in data preparation, fine-tuning, and optimization. If this is something that is of interest to you, H2O AI University is here to accompany your learning experience. See you soon!